Thank you, Lieutenant Governor. First, I want to talk about paper checks. For those of you who may have received a paper check but never filed a claim, we believe that is very few of you, but if you were in that boat, please mail that check to the Office of Unemployment Insurance, attention BPC. I think we may have a slide on this, I'm not sure, but that again was Office of Unemployment Insurance, attention BPC, 500 Merrow Street, 4th floor, Frankfort, Kentucky, 40601. And this will be on the Kentucky Career Center website. When you mail that, please include your contact name or your name, contact information with a phone number and email and a message explaining that you never filed for unemployment insurance. Please do not include a social security number. With that, along with a check, could open you up to identity theft issues, and we want to protect you from that as much as we possibly can. Now, if you are a claimant who is accurately receiving paper checks and formerly got debit cards, please don't forget that money has to be spent off of that debit card by February 28th. If it's not spent, it will go back to the Office of Unemployment Insurance. They will issue you a paper check, but that will take some time. So you will lose the benefit of the use of that money if you don't go ahead and spend that off. Talking again a little bit about 1099-Gs. We're coming up on the day, this Friday, in fact, is when you can start filing your taxes with the IRS. So if you have received your 1099, please look at it, make sure it's correct. If you have questions, check the FAQs on the website. And if you still think it's incorrect, you can email kyou1099@ky.gov for assistance. Again, check those FAQs. Hopefully those will answer your questions. And don't forget to, if your problems don't get worked out before you need to file, the IRS has put a statement out about what to do. That is linked on the KCC website. And again, that was to report what you accurately received, not what the incorrect 1099 says. Next, I want to talk a little bit about fraud. I know we are still getting a lot of questions about fraudulent filings. Again, we've given the email address, but I'll repeat it again. If you have had a fraudulent filing in your name or in one of your employees' names, you can email uifraud@ky.gov. But please also know we've upgraded our fraud enhancement application called BART's Benefit Audit Reporting Tracking System, which does a number of cross-checks to make sure claims are both accurate and non-fraudulent. It will allow us to hopefully fish out more of those fraudulent claims. And then next week, we are hoping to launch another new computer application to assist people with their identity verification to help combat fraud, but also help you get your benefits more quickly. And next week, hopefully on the Thursday update, I'll give you some more information on that. Finally, I want to talk a little bit about our computer upgrades. We've been doing a lot behind the scenes to upgrade our capabilities in-house. And one part of that, as we have discussed before, is the new user interface that we'll be rolling out hopefully soon. A group of claimants has been recruited to test that before we go live so that we can understand how it impacts you who are claiming, not just those of us who work on the back end. Once we get that feedback and make any changes necessary, we're going to launch that for you. But please remember, this is not the entire upgrade. This is just one upgrade to the existing system. That system is old and difficult, as we've said, and this is not going to change everything overnight. Now, we have got the RFP out. We are working on that to try to figure out if we've got the money to upgrade that new system. This is only an interim measure, but we hope it will at least give you some better functionality. So that's it for today. Thanks.